Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw BNB from Gemini to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you've got BNB sitting in your Gemini account and want to move it to your Trust Wallet for more flexibility, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Gemini account with some BNB in it, and the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Also, ensure you have your Trust Wallet address handy. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the website or open the app, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section where you can see your BNB balance. Next, find the Withdrawal option. Look for a Withdraw button next to your BNB holdings. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, BNB. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees, which might vary in 2025 based on blockchain updates. Step 3. Paste your Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that it's correct because crypto transactions are irreversible. Gemini might ask you to confirm your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security. Always do this to protect your funds. After that, review the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Depending on network congestion, it could take a few minutes to an hour. Finally, open your Trust Wallet app and check your BNB balance. It should show up in your wallet shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just wait a bit and maybe check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. And there you have it. Withdrawing BNB from Gemini to Trust Wallet in 2025 is quick and easy. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest guidelines. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.